Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much for your like. Thank you very much for your support. And welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about marketing tools for affiliates, for your affiliate, for your WordPress website. So we are going to put a couple of plugins, the best plugins for marketing affiliate strategies for you to grow your affiliate commissions. First of all, I go for my favorite, and this is the one I'm using on my blog, and this is easier for me, and I will explain to you why. This is Thursday Affiliates. I found it easy to place the link on my blog and have a clocked links and protect the links from other people that want to use our links and get our commissions. Believe it or not, this happens a lot. There's a lot of people out there that are not ethical. And also what this Thursday affiliate does is you have your whole here dashboard that you can create your own link and add it to your WordPress website and connect it and make it nicer, prettier, and shorter, rather than have it there ugly with your cookie on or any ID number that might be long, also creating problems saying you don't like it. So the other thing about the Thursday affiliates is that you can actually have an auto link keywords. When you upgrade, you put your keywords. Remember that we are growing organically as well as paid traffic, and you add it on to your specific link, and then it's gonna go to automatically to your category, because you might have different products, especially if you have different products to promote. And I like it. I found it easier for me. I found much more easier. I used to use another one before, so that's the one I'm using now, and I really love it. Now the second one is, and used to use that before, is Prettylinks. Again, you can add your affiliate link and monetize your blog and cover it up with your own, with their own, make it shorter. It's not the same as the clock affiliate, the Thursday affiliate, sorry. It's different one, but you can actually use it with your emails, in your emails and your social media, make it shorter and prettier, so it's not going to be so ugly. This is actually very, very popular, and it's one of the best when it comes to WordPress plugin. I don't use it anymore. I use Thursday affiliate, but I think it's simple and easy to use. Now, another one that you can use it in your campaigns is OptinMonster, and I use that one for my growing my email list and other lead building. Is very, very good, and that is giving you a lot of insights when you buy these services. I will put the link below. I love this, and it's really is very, very important for you to grow your email list for your business. You need to have OptinMonster, and you need to keep an eye on it when it comes to leads here, because using your different campaigns to your blog posts, to your site, to your footers, is going to help you grow your business. Remember, we are here, we have in a business to make money. So the other one is Affiliate Manager. It's actually free. I never use that one, but it's very good for WordPress. It's free. You can connect it with WooCommerce. You can connect it with other item exchange, different other sites. And integrate it with different other sites. It's very easy, and also it's helping you a lot when it comes to campaigns or different products that you can promote. You can promote and track all of your products. You have a dashboard that you can do it, and you can have a look through, because if you want to make some money I mean, I'm a huge fan of affiliate marketing. I don't do any other, when it comes, I mean, I don't do any other ads. I do put affiliate marketing banners or links on my blog, and I found it is very, very reliable source of income, let's say, and you can increase your traffic and you make it more sustainable. And that's why I like it. So I don't use any other type of ads in my blog. Now, beautiful, beautiful affiliate Royale. This is another WordPress plugin that you can use for your affiliate marketing links, and also has a lot of statistics in the dashboard, and is giving you again your own banners and links. Is helping you also with managing your ads, and you can have like launch even your own affiliate marketing products. I think this is what they do as well. So it's very, very interesting, and it's actually very, very popular. So it's helping you to increase sales by giving you an affiliate dashboard, like giving you all the details on what to do and how to do it and when to do it. Because when you're using a plugin, you need always to pay attention into analytics. I mean, I know a lot of people that are using Master Insight. I don't use Master Insight for affiliate marketing. I use it for other reasons, like where it's my traffic come from or the keywords. I know a lot of affiliate marketers are also using it for that. You can take an ideas as well. Now the other one is AdSanity. So AdSanity is also another plugin. You can use it for WordPress, and it's also a page builder as well that you can use it and subscribe. But it has different styles. I mean, you can see you can use your own CS style ads for with this plugin. You can use different group ads if you want, and it's helping you also, to grow your affiliates. It's simple. I'm not quite sure how much you pay. You can have a look. I think it's paid. Yes, $49.149. It has a lot of management to your ads on, and you can add different Google Analytics, and it's great with different other apps, of course. And I think no matter what you choose, I think for me, I'm happy with Thursday Affiliate, and that's the one I'm using. It's easier for me, but no matter what you use, make sure it's easier for you, because it's your website, it's your business, so you need to feel comfortable using those plugins. And also for your WordPress, make sure that they can actually fit to your current WordPress. You need to make sure that as well. And then you can update or go pro and pay for the extra services they offer. I believe all of them, they're very good. I mean, each one of them is going to help you grow your affiliate marketing business and also an extra income. So thank you very much for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave your comments below. And I wish you well.